Welcome to our environmentally controlled room. This is our coordinate measuring machine in action. S. Himmelstein & Company recently completed acquisition and installation of a Zeiss Accurate Coordinate Measuring Machine. This is part of their ongoing commitment to developing and producing torque measurement products with the highest possible performance. An environmentally controlled room was constructed specifically for this equipment. This room provides precise temperature and humidity control along with a contaminant-free environment. The result is optimal dimensional measurement performance from the coordinate measuring machine. The enhanced measurement capability offered by the CMM allows the ability to maintain tighter tolerances of critical machine components. The majority of S. Himmelstein & Company's sensing products are manufactured in their in-house machine shop. The CMM will give the opportunity for more consistent dimensional control of all parts, resulting in overall improved product quality. S. Himmelstein & Company has been offering innovative torque measurement solutions since 1960, manufacturing a full line of shaft, spline, flanged, pulley, wheel, and reaction torque meters and other measuring instruments. For more information, call 1-800-632-7873, visit www.himmelstein.com, or email sales@himmelstein.com. Thank you for viewing our video. Please contact us with your questions.